Sericulture and weaving have long been part of everyday life in Bodoland, where knowledge and skills have traditionally been passed down through generations of women. Bodoland is one of Assam's major sources of Eri silk, and in 2024, Bodo Eri silk received a GI tag, recognizing its cultural and regional identity. Today, the sector is undergoing a period of transition. Alongside initiatives such as the Bodoland Sericulture Mission, investments in silk infrastructure, and efforts to strengthen value chains, artisans are also navigating changing production methods, evolving markets, and shifting livelihood opportunities. In this episode of the Changemaker series, we feature Dhirashri Bodo, who works with artisans and weaving communities in Bodoland through training, sustainable textile practices, and handloom innovation.
Myself, Dhirashri Bodo. So, as a profession, I am a textile designer.
After graduating from NIFT Kolkata, Dhirashri's work took her to artisan communities in rural areas through a corporate CSR initiative where she worked closely with weavers and craft practitioners. Working closely with artisans shaped the direction of her work and inspired her to bring those experiences back to Bodoland.
लेकिन ये जो स्पिरिट है, मैं अपने BTR रीजन में जाके अपना ही मैं यूनिट खोल के मैं उसको ट्रेनिंग्स दे के सभी को मैं एक्सप्लेन करना चाहती हूँ.
Today, Dhirashri works with artisans in Bodoland through the Science, Technology and Innovation Hub in Kokrajhar. The training focuses on reusing textile waste, introducing natural dyeing techniques, and encouraging greater value addition using locally available materials.
और ऑर्गेनिक डाइंग में जैसे कि हमारे बहुत सारे हैं, प्याज का छिलका एंड बीट रूट एंड केबेज एंड ऑल, उसको लेके हम लोग यार्न डाइंग कैसे कर सकते हैं. मैं रिमोट एरियाज में गांव में जाके अभी सिखाती हूँ अंडर सेंट्रल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी के अंदर में STI हब में एज ए रिसोर्स पर्सन.
Alongside training, her work also looks at some of the everyday challenges faced by weavers in the region. In many households, weaving is carried out from home, where living spaces also function as workspaces and storage. Long hours at traditional looms, combined with increasingly warm conditions, can place significant physical strains on artisans, particularly women who have practiced the craft for decades.
हमारी जो महिलाएं हैं, जो आफ्टर एज ऑफ 40 या 45, उनके हेल्थ इश्यूज बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं. तो उसमें क्या है कि हम लोग जो अभी लूम्स को अपग्रेडेड लूम्स करना चाहते हैं, उसमें हम लोग नया इन्वेंट करना चाहते हैं उनकी सुविधा को लेके.
As weaving continues to be carried forward across generations, many artisans continue to face everyday challenges related to health, infrastructure, and access to equipment. To better understand these challenges, Dhirashri undertook household surveys across Chirang and Kokrajhar, speaking directly with more than 900 weavers. The findings help identify infrastructure gaps and connect artisans with relevant support.
I have surveyed 950 weavers हमारे entire BTR एरिया में. तो ओनली इन चिरांग डिस्ट्रिक्ट एंड कोकराझार डिस्ट्रिक्ट में हमने उनके घर घर में डोर टू डोर स्टेप जाके उनके घर में वीविंग यूनिट है या नहीं, हम उनसे डिस्कस किए हैं. बहुत लोगों के पास लूम है, लेकिन उनके पास जो बुनाई करने के लिए जो इक्विपमेंट है वो नहीं है.
As weaving traditions continue to be passed down across generations, Dhirashri is also working to preserve the cultural knowledge embedded within these textiles. Through the use of traditional motifs and symbols and through her personal effort to curate an archive of Bodo textiles, she hopes to document and carry forward these weaving traditions.
ये जो स्पिरिट है, ये स्पिरिट को लेके मैं आज तक काम कर रही हूँ और आगे भी करूँगी.
Through training, innovation, and community engagement, Dhirashri's work contributes to a broader effort to ensure that weaving continues to provide sustainable livelihoods while keeping these traditions alive for future generations. Stay tuned as we bring you more stories of changemakers from Bodoland.